Good. Number 6. Number 6 is a lot like number 2 with an add-on. I'm going to step back, inside block in a fighting stance. Back knuckle strike, grab the head, knee strike. Hiya! Ready. Number 6. Load. Step back, block, grab, back knuckle, knee. Hiya! Good. Opposite side. Load. Step back, block, grab, back knuckle, knee. Hiya! One more. Load. Step back, block, grab, back knuckle, knee. Hiya! Number 6 is a lot like number 2. It's an add-on. Ready? Hiya! Step back, block to the inside, grab, back knuckle strike, grab the head, knee. Hiya! Good. Ready? Hi! Hiya! One more time. I did that one wrong. Hi! Hiya!